Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to solve a problem related to the profiles in Google Chrome. So what is the concept of profiles? In Google Chrome you have the ability to connect to different profiles. These profiles are created based upon your email address. So suppose you have two email addresses, one is a work email and the other is a personal email. Then what happens is you can create two different profiles onto the same Chrome browser so that your history, password and all the other information is separated for those two profiles. So this is a very good way to organize your tasks and prevent the conflict of interests, also prevent you from scrolling personal stuff in the work profile and vice versa. So how do we create these profiles and what happens if you get this issue? That is what we are going to address in this video. So the process to address this issue is really very simple. All you need to do is go to the start menu. In the search bar you have to type this thing, that is %local app data %. So I am just going to copy it and paste it over here. That's local app data. This will open up my local app data folder in the C drive. Now what you need to do over here is scroll down and search for Google. So here is Google. Let's just double click. This will bring up Chrome. So let's just click on this Chrome. Then user data. Now in this user data you have to find a folder that says default. Let's just click into it. Now scroll down until you find this web data. So once you find this web data, what you need to do is delete this web data file, then restart your computer, not the Chrome browser but your whole system that you need to restart. And once you do that, then what will happen is you will see that your error or issue, whatever was there due to the user profiles, would have been solved. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.